Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to hide albums on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Gallery, then go to the album section, then pick album which you want to hide, hold your finger on it, and then in this appeared bottom menu you have the button hide, tap on it, and after that this album will be hidden. So as you can see, no album here. To unhide it, tap here, go to the settings, and then to the view hidden albums, and here you have this album. And that's how you can unhide it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.